This video will take you through the installation of the chime module for your Netatmo Smart Doorbell if you have a chime with a built-in transformer. Please watch the installation video for the Netatmo Smart Doorbell to follow the steps leading up to the chime module installation. Turn off the power at the main circuit breaker before installation. This will keep you safe during the process. Remove your chime cover. If your chime is connected to 4 wires, 2 wires coming from your electrical panel and connected to the built-in transformer, and the other 2 wires coming from your doorbell button like the one shown in the picture, your chime has a built-in transformer. On your chime, first loosen the screw corresponding to the 0 terminal. Then hook one of the wires from the chime module. Note that there is no polarity in the circuit, so you do not need to worry about which wire you choose. Tighten the screw to hold the wires together. Loosen the screw corresponding to terminal 3, then hook the other wire from the chime module. Tighten the screw to hold the wires together. Make sure the wires are properly secured by gently pulling on them. Once the wires are connected and secured, check the chime module's configuration. To do so, make sure the selectors are in the 1 low position. Put the chime cover back on. Then stick the chime module next to your chime using the 2 stickers on the back of the module. Congratulations! You have successfully connected your chime with a built-in transformer. You can now continue with the installation of your smart video doorbell.